this is Laurent Masia from NETGEAR AV. Welcome to the stand here at InfoComm 2025. So at this show we are showing our brand new M4350 switches with multi-gigabit PoE++ with the 25G uplinks, with ST2110 boundary clock and grandmaster. We now have LED lights that show you on the switches directly your colors for Dante, primary, secondary, the blue, the red and the others. Behind me you see a lot of third-party cameras. Of course we are partnering with BZBGEAR. We are very honored to showcase products here. You will find support for the vast majority of the AV protocols in our AV operating system, the AV user interface, 4250, 4350, the NETGEAR Engage controller as well on your PC or Mac. Download it for free at netgear.com/engage. To learn more about all our partnerships, including BZBGEAR of course, please visit us at www.netgear.com/AV. Thank you.